So this is Great Denham, and this is their new playground that we installed for them recently, and it's given them a load more space to play naturally outside in all weathers. What the school found was that they didn't have a lot of room when they expanded, and so it was really important for their children to have enough room to play and just be. And as you can see, it's a great space to play on a sunny day, but equally on a wet day they can play as well. We're really proud to have made such a difference for them and their lunch and break time plays, and the Year 6 are really enjoying making use of it before they move up to their new school. The Chim Shelter's given the children extra things to do to encourage their balance, hand-to-eye coordination, gross motor skills, core stability, improve their handwriting. Can you lift yourself up? Can you lift yourself up? Oh wow, how strong are you, eh? Excellent. That is how you play Mr. Wolf.